Hi, I'm Flora, and here is my mid-semester presentation from memory. So, in the first assignment, we can find that the relationship between material and memory is that an object creates a specific memory of that object, which can be an event or a feeling. A memory that we have kept for a long time, but when we see the object, we associate it with a relative memory that is either happy or sad. I searched for examples of designs about memory, perception, and behavior. What all these artists have in common is that they evoke memories through installation or architectural design. Through various invention conditions, they bring deep impressions to people's psyche. In assignment 3, this object can not be physical, it can even be virtual, just like an electronic invoice and electronic contract. This online electronic concert ticket carries many happy memories for me. The virtual ticket is easy to keep like a photo, and when I open my computer and see this photo, I will think of the scenes and the feelings of watching Blackpink online concert. So in here, this is the apartment where I have been staying and living in Melbourne City. Although the upper floor of this apartment has a great view of most of Melbourne City, and the thing that impressed me the most was the quality of the windows in the apartment and the noising when it was windy. Old Beijing Tiananmen has a long history. The appearance of the city gate has hardly changed over the centuries, and the old buildings are well preserved. The difference is that people have widened the road and rebuilt the wall with the evidence modern construction techniques. The identification wall is very beautiful in the light. So the Lalu Hotel that I remembered from my vacation trip here was particular. I made the mini architecture I remembered out of the sticks and cardboard and found that it would be different from the actual architecture, and it looks like a different kind of building in the model, which was quite interesting. So in this page, just observe these different patterns and design by looking around at the materials and using pencil and paper to take photographs on the surface. So if we just move on next page, Zhejiang province, which was from China, is famous for its Hui style architecture, and I really like the architectural style of green bricks and the tiles, and I put these pictures in a collage in a map, and the spatial effect is very obvious. So finally, the key word I chose was identification, and I made some interior sketches and then tried to observe the back textures of my draft sketches, and I tried to create different effects on these red traces with light and tracks. And my future proposal want to design an art gallery in my space, which is a space complex that includes flexible spaces such as the studios in the future. And that's all. Thanks for listening.